Hello everyone, it is that time of the week again. Today is Friday, December 20th, 2019. Lots more exciting Bitcoin Cash news this week and every week, so stay tuned right here. We're going to cover the Bitcoin.com lead token that's available to reward the Bitcoin Cash community. Brian Armstrong has a patent on cryptocurrency stuff. India is set to be the biggest market for blockchain devs. A video has shown a vulnerability in Bitcoin Core's replace by fee. And Fidelity launches cryptocurrency services in Europe, plus a few more. So anyhow, Bitcoin.com, we've minted the LEAD token, L-E-A-D token, to reward Bitcoin Cash communities leaders. LEAD is a reward token launched on Bitcoin Cash using the Simple Ledger protocol, whose purpose is to reward those who grow and support the Bitcoin Cash ecosystem. So if you want some LEAD token, post your SLP address in the comments below, and maybe we'll send some out to you there. In fact, I have a guy texting me on Telegram right now asking for his LEAD token, so I'm going to send him some too when I'm done recording the video here. So meetup organizers have also been using LEAD as a way to introduce attendees to SLP tokens. The LEAD token holders will unlock various benefits like discounts, dividends, and more coming soon. A Telegram tip bot has also been released for tipping LEAD. Anyone can add the bot to their Telegram groups and enable instant LEAD tipping. And I forget exactly what LEAD is an acronym for, but we'll put it in the description below there. So Brian Armstrong now has a patent on cryptocurrency stuff. So I think that patents are illegitimate government granted monopoly. I think Brian is kind of a similar mindset, but in the world we live in, there's lots of people out there that are busy trolling other people with patents, so sometimes it's nice to have some defensive patents. But anyhow, the patent that Coinbase has now is detailing a system for users to make cryptocurrency payments with email addresses linked to corresponding wallet addresses. So really useful thing. Hopefully they're not going to patent troll anybody with it. The sender would make a request to send the cryptocurrency to an email address. The system then transmits the agreed amount. The patent doesn't specify which cryptocurrencies would be supported aside from BTC, but presumably the service would support the digital assets available from Coinbase's other services. There also appears to be no restriction on email providers, meaning users could use existing email addresses should they wish to. So I think actually the tip.bitcoin.com platform we made would work pretty well for this. You can email someone a private key in a QR code that they can scan, and if they don't scan that from in their email box after 30 days, it can claim it back to your wallet automatically. So maybe we'll integrate something like that into our Bitcoin.com wallet soon. Which, speaking of that, the new one's due out any day now. I'm using it. I've been using it all week on my phone here, and can't wait to roll it out to the rest of the world. So, speaking of rolling it out to the rest of the world, India is set to be the biggest market for blockchain developers in 2020. Right, that's just a few days away here. According to LinkedIn's latest emerging jobs report, job opportunities for blockchain developers are among those leading in the emerging jobs in India. The number of new hires in the industry has seen significant growth, and the numbers of jobs related to crypto and blockchain technology is expected to continue to grow in 2020. The Indian state of Kerala is already considered by some to be a leader in blockchain expertise, with many foreign companies outsourcing blockchain development to the Blockchain Hub of India. And I know from our Bitcoin.com's very own local.bitcoin.com platform, India is one of the most popular markets. People are buying and selling and trading hundreds of thousands of dollars of Bitcoin Cash in India using local.bitcoin.com. It works with every payment method in every country for any amount with no KYC from the platform. So if you haven't tried out local.bitcoin.com yet, try it out today. And now you can buy and sell physical items over there as well. Again, with basically no KYC restrictions, because Bitcoin.com never touches the money in any way. And you can earn money by telling your friends about it. Go and click on the affiliate referral link there. Share links to local.bitcoin.com, and you can get paid in Bitcoin Cash for that as well. So if you haven't tried that, make sure you check out local.bitcoin.com. And another thing that people were arguing about since I think 2015, I think is when it came into existence, is Bitcoin Core's replace by fee. Myself and Eric Voorhees and BitPay and everybody else that was trying to actually use Bitcoin as money said, no, don't undermine Bitcoin's usefulness as money by this replace by fee nonsense, which you only need if you have a fee market or intentionally full blocks. So Bitcoin Core's replace by fee has been demonstrated as a serious vulnerability when accepting payments. So in a recent video from Hayden Otto of BitcoinBCH.com, he demonstrated how easy it is to double spend BTC, reversing Bitcoin Core transactions after purchasing products from various merchants. Otto went to a few Australian businesses accepting BTC and performed double spends after purchasing items, taking the opportunity to warn retailers about the vulnerability and recommending they use Bitcoin Cash as a safer alternative. And there's already hundreds of merchants in Australia and thousands, maybe 10,000 plus across the world using the Bitcoin Cash Register app already. If you don't have that, check out the Bitcoin Cash Register app. But anyhow, these people in Australia are using a different payment provider. And on BTC, he showed in this video how incredibly easy it is to pay for something with BTC, walk away, and then send the money back to themselves using completely just regular old off-the-shelf Bitcoin wallet software, nothing special at all. And it's all because of this, quote-unquote feature that was introduced by the Bitcoin core development team that allows users to replace a transaction that hasn't made it into a block yet with one that pays a higher fee. This feature was only necessary because of the high fees on the Bitcoin core network. Bitcoin Cash doesn't have this replace by fee feature and so doesn't have this vulnerability. So another example of how Bitcoin Cash works better as cash for the world than BTC does right now today. And that's why already around the world, far more merchants are accepting Bitcoin Cash for payments in physical locations than accepting BTC. And I think we're going to see that spill over into the online space as well. Another fun example of cryptocurrency adoption happening around the world is Fidelity expanding cryptocurrency services across Europe. Fidelity Investments, one of the biggest investment houses in the world, recently established a new entity that will serve European clients and allow them to invest in crypto assets. Fidelity Investments is one of the world's largest financial service providers and handles more than $7 trillion with a T dollars worth of client assets, with over 1.3 million trades processed, not per year, per day, 1.3 million trades a day. So Fidelity has launched a service providing crypto asset trading to U.S. customers in 2018. Since launch, they've seen significant interest and engagement with cryptocurrency investors, and that interest is showing no signs of slowing. So a couple other fun things that also happened this week. Honest.cash has improved profile page. You can migrate your profile and edit it to version 2. The SLP total market cap has surpassed $50 million. There's a bunch of cool SLP developer meetings on YouTube where you can watch and see exactly what they're talking about. Bitcoin Cash is, of course, continuing to dominate in Australia and around the world. Local.Bitcoin.com hit an all-time high with in daily trading volume this most recent week. Really, really amazing to see that happening. There's a new Python BCH library called Bitcash that was released, so you can check that out. A new version of Electron Cash SLP was out. All sorts of fantastic stuff. Nexo Finance has launched a crypto credit line backed by your Bitcoin Cash, and just more and more stuff happening all the time. And of course, one of my favorites, you can now pay with your Bitcoin Cash at Burger King in Slovenia, and more Burger King locations are going to roll out if this is successful, thanks to the fantastic guys over at GoCrypto. So if you're not familiar with GoCrypto, go and check them out. Check out their wallet. They're driving Bitcoin Cash adoption and the GoCrypto, which is an SLP token payment adoption all over Europe and soon to be worldwide. So they're really doing an amazing job over there. So great job, Dejan and the rest of the GoCrypto team. We're really big fans of you. And Bitcoin.com is proud to be an investor in your business there. And we're looking forward to really rolling out the $200 million of capital for our Bitcoin Cash investment fund this coming year in 2020. So stay tuned for more and more adoption around the world of Bitcoin Cash. We saw Forbes had an article saying that Bitcoin Cash could surpass the market cap of BTC. That's a very, very real possibility once people realize that Bitcoin Cash works better in commerce for people to buy and sell things and make payments all around the world. And BTC has just become a digital collectible beanie baby that is slow, expensive, and unreliable to send. So it breaks my heart to say that, but that's the truth about BTC, and that's why I'm busy promoting Bitcoin Cash and any cryptocurrency that actually works as a currency for people to go and be able to buy and sell things. So anyhow, that's it for this week's show. See everybody next week. Oh, one last thing. Everybody wants to know about Hex. Are we listing? Are we delisting Hex? We're still discussing it internally at the moment, so stay tuned for that. I already recorded one whole video on the topic. Maybe I'll record another one. The first video hasn't been released yet. Lots of internal discussion and arguments. I think there's great points on both sides. So at the moment, we haven't taken any action on that front. So anyhow, stay tuned for that. But at the end of the day, it's all about permissionless innovation and permissionless trading and buying and selling things. So anything that enables that is a good thing, even if Hex seems to be a really poorly designed token that I don't know why anybody would buy. So anyhow, That's it for another moment. See you all next time.